Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can integrate BreezingForms with MailChimp and with Joomla. Let's see that tutorial, and if you need my help you can hire me. And my hiring address is https and bit.ly and 2pgylkn. So you can hire, let's see it. And this is a newsletter sign up, you see that, and if you click on it you will see the options here, many options here. So from here you will go there advanced. So there under form options you will see there are more options. So you will go there and you will see the MailChimp options here. You just click on it and add here with your API ID and with your list ID. That will be enough for it, and you can add other things like form features or Dropbox or Salesforce, something like that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.